Now, live from KUSI, this is Good Business San Diego. Sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Hi, I'm Roy Roberts, and welcome to Good Business San Diego, where we present local businesses, both large and small, that have such a big impact on our community. The following portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Semper Solaris. And with some of the highest utility rates in the country and increases in public safety power shutoffs, San Diego's become a prime market for solar and battery storage systems. So how can you reduce your monthly energy bill and be sure you're keeping your home powered up? Let's find out. John Almond is one of the founders and owners of Semper Solaris, and is here with some solutions. And we're going to talk about some other things that Semper Solaris manages too, such as roofing, which is also a big concern this time of the year. So, John, let's start with the battery and the solar systems, because used to be, we were just going solar to save on the electricity bill. Now we're just trying to keep the power on, right?
Yeah, that's true. And the nice thing about the batteries are they'll provide power when the power goes out. And when the power goes out, it's very, very inconvenient. But the other thing is they're going to help you save money, because you're going to store the electricity when the power is cheap, and in the evening when it's expensive, you're going to use the power on your batteries, and so eventually they pay for themselves.
So this will make a huge difference, right?
Oh yeah, huge difference on your bill, and it's a huge lifestyle upgrade for sure.
So let's talk about roofing, because this is a concern for a lot of people too. As winter rains remind us, we've had a little bit already, more to come. You also do roofing, and some people may not know that because you're most known for solar.
Yep, we're one of the largest roofing contractors in California, and roofing is not something you should put off for three basic reasons. Number one, if you ignore a problem, you're eventually going to damage the inside of your home, which is insanely expensive and inconvenient. Sure. Number two, with the new roofing systems we have these days, in particular with the Platinum Owens Corning roof, they last almost forever, 50 years plus, and so once you do it, you don't have to worry about it again. And then the third reason is, not as fun, but the price keeps going up. A new roof today is 50% higher than it was 4 years ago. So when you put it off, you're risking damaging your home, and you're only going to end up paying more. So you should do it now, and especially if you're getting solar panels, you should just do your roof at the same time.
That's kind of a no-brainer, right? If you're doing solar, you got to do the roof.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Let's talk about another issue that's impacting a lot of people now. That's air quality in their homes, and maybe primarily people in the South Bay with the border fire. What can you tell them about what you're able to do?
You know, I tell you, the indoor air quality solutions are great because they're not terribly expensive, but they really upgrade your lifestyle. So we can do three things. One is we can install a whole house fan that will bring fresh, clean air in when it's clean and push hot air out of your attic and save you money. But when the air is dirty like it is now, we can put in a HEPA filter, which removes particulates and odors from your air inside your home. But we can also put in an air scrubber that's going to actually remove germs and viruses and really give you some clean air. And believe it or not, most of the air we breathe, we're breathing when we're at home. It's not terribly expensive, and it's going to really improve your health and make you feel better inside your home.
John, thanks so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
More information about everything this company does online at sempersolaris.com. And the preceding portion of Good Business San Diego was sponsored by Semper Solaris. We will be right back right after this.